While we can't see the party affiliations of government agency employees, we can see partisan public opinion polls of government agencies. These public opinion survey results suggest any partisan executive branch could seek to consolidate power by trimming the government agencies that constituents rate poorly. If you want to use public opinion to gain power, why not slash government budgets in the name of efficiency? Why not funnel some of those federal funds to your more efficient companies? Party loyalty could be a leading factor when choosing what agencies, offices, and positions will be on the chopping block. Whatever happens to the government in these next few years, it seems unlikely that $2 trillion of spending cuts will be realized, and 2, that government offices will begin publishing detailed annual financial reports.